What's up my crypto friends? So today we're going to be talking about ApeCoin and should we be aping in or is it going to sink like the Titanic? Well, as you can see here, it's up 16.42% on the day, but that's not what we want to talk about. We want to talk about how it got from its low $9 up to its high of 15. And as we can see here, after the launch, it did shoot up, and then as any new token does, it had a week and sell-off period, or the people that just got all the free tokens and wanted to make millions of bucks. So once we had the sell-off, we did find the bottom around about the $10 mark, and now it started to find its momentum shooting up because this token does have utility, which, jumping straight in, says what is ApeCoin for those of you who don't know. So ApeCoin is a governance utility token of the Ape ecosystem. It is a decentralized protocol layer that supports the Ape community building at the forefront of its Web3. Ape is an ERC20 token with a supply of 1 billion. It is controlled and built by the community. The ApeCoin DAO is a decentralized organization that follows all Ape holders to vote on governance decisions related to the token. In addition to this, Ape is adopted by Yuga Labs as the primary token for all new products and services. Yuga Labs is the creator of the trending board Ape Yacht Club, which we've probably all known about if we're in the NFT space. It also owns the IP of another two popular NFT projects, CryptoPunks and Meebits. So for me, this is a one to watch, and I've always been saying that Ape would have been bottoming out around about between $8 and $10. And this has got so much potential if they get it right, and I think the metaverse is going to be awesome. This could go well over the $30 a token mark. But as always, do your own bloody research.